So in security, we've got a lot of challenges. And ultimately, it starts with the skills gap. It's been something that's been discussed for a very long time, but the resources that are required for security are often very high level and there's very few of them. So as a service provider, we work to bring those skills in-house and be able to provide them to many clients. In addition to the skills gap, the alert fatigue, having a constant influx of issues that arise create a necessity for us to be able to suppress the things that are just noise and be able to focus on the things that are truly credible and impacting to an environment. Very constant cyber attacks and cyber events creates a situation where client resources are always on. They're not getting a break. They're not getting that downtime that they need to effectively manage the environment, and creates a constant firefighting type of situation. So that is something that we're actively trying to mitigate from a managed security perspective. We're trying to offload some of that stress from our clients to be able to help them to focus on their strategy, on their approach, let them run their tabletops, and ultimately be more effective in the way that they're creating security policy and affecting it in their environment. Many organizations are looking to service providers like Insight for managed security because of the 24/7 monitoring that it provides. It gives them that peace of mind to know that someone is always looking at their environment, looking at the different signatures that are being generated, and managing to the profiles and the attacks and any sort of odd behavior that's happening. It's very difficult for organizations to effectively staff at the resource level that's required. And we're also leveraging AI and other tools to be able to be more effective in the way that we monitor client environments.
We're seeing from our clients' perspective that they are wanting to engage in cybersecurity and they are wanting to invest in that, and they have that set aside, but they don't really know where to start. So some ways that Insight can help is really meeting them where they're at in their journey. They don't have to have a complete strategy already laid out. We can help them develop that. Something we talk about a lot is people, processes, and technologies, because those are the three huge pillars to cybersecurity, obviously, and anything in tech. So Insight can help with all three. We can bring the people, we can help develop the processes and procedures around that, and then we can help with the product because we have a vast amount of partners that are willing to work with us, and we can help integrate that and be your solution integrator.